All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here actually in Seneca County. But check this out. Here's actually a barn. What I'm gonna show you is how we're gonna reside this older building right here. See this big building right there, beautiful standing seam. You can see what he did a few years ago. See how good that looks, brand new metal and so forth. But I'm gonna show you a couple different hacks that we use as far as the 1x6, 2x6, the sliding doors, and then also how we do this. So that's what he did to make an old barn look new. But here's the older barn here. You can see the paint looks decrepit. It's been, you know, look at that. And then obviously he did that, I believe about a year ago. But anyway, you can see how that paint, the chalk, or not the chalk, but you can see how it's peeling. But what we're gonna do is, you can see we're laid out here. We got our steel. But we're gonna obviously take the 1x6s up here and take those down. And then we're gonna put up soffit fascia and run that up there. And then what we're also gonna do, obviously we're gonna put a 40-year steel on this backer right here. And you really have two options. You can paint it, and I don't know why the heck you'd wanna paint something, or you can put a steel on there and get a 40-year guarantee. But there's a couple different options that you can do. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take 3 sliders and we're gonna press them. Now we have the ability, obviously, to take it to our truss shop. We're gonna press them with 2x6s and remake those slider doors. And then obviously put steel over it. But you can kind of see the setup here, early stages, but kind of wanna give you an idea here. You know, there's a ton of old barns out there that have functional use. Look at that beautiful standing seam right there. And obviously with lumber prices up, I mean, kind of give you an idea, just actually about a month ago, lumber was about $17.70 board square foot. Now it's about $12.20. So about a 30% drop in 30 days. So that shows you where the lumber market's headed. And then, you know, it probably regresses probably 800-900. So for those of you out there looking to build, now this is Ohio, but again, lumber markets are all regional and some more priciness. But here kind of gives you an idea of what we're doing. So, all right, hopefully that helps you guys. For those that want to preserve the quality of an older barn and still, you know, make it look pretty doggone good. So, if you like the video, boom, help support the channel, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and definitely good for your health, hit the bell button. That way you never, ever, ever miss a video. Till the next one, keep it locked, loaded right here, Attica Lumber.